It's not butter, it's $2.29. And it's not even butter.
This is for Pinky and the Brain.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl.
What's up, guys? Night has come down already. Just waiting for my brother. The store's not far, so we're gonna be walking today. It is Tuesday, so tacos. Coming prepared with the bags. We got the bags.
We got the bags. We got the drink. We got this food. Let's go.
Gosh.
Oh, we need a wallet. We need that.
Do you have your wallet?
Oh yeah. Puppies.
That ground beef is one more, yeah?
I don't even know what you have. Oh, it's recording. We don't have a buggy or a cart, or I mean a basket. The baskets are all the way down there. You think we need a basket or a cart?
Cart.
A cart?
I needed what?
I need puffs.
Oh.
We're gonna get puffs after this. I still don't know what flavor I want to get. I always get the choco bueno.
Okay.
But then I don't want to get it, then I want it when I start eating it.
Okay.
Why you look so nervous?
What are the two ones? You know the ones that you get at Walmart, the two Bluetooth?
No, you do not. Why?
You got one of these.
You're lying.
I'm serious. What's the difference?
You need the one in the pack that looks like ground beef.
It is.
In the tube, it's all mushy.
It's all in the beef.
I don't know. I don't know about that. As long as it says, well, that says veal to get the beef. Remember one of these? This looks like a lot, and then you said you already have.
Yeah.
This one?
That's
It's
good.
6 something. You just asked me.
What ingredients do you need to make the Big Mac sauce?
I don't even know. I didn't really think you wanted Big Mac sauce. I thought you just wanted tacos.
Yeah, Big Mac tacos.
We get the tomatoes here. You guys, we chose the expensive store to shop at because it was the closest. So these prices are rude right now. You know which tomatoes I like? I like these ones best. You like those ones? I always have the Roma tomato, guys. But I feel like everybody uses the other ones for stuff like that. These are hard, so they're good. No, we're gonna dice them ourselves.
Okay.
You need for the sauce?
Huh?
For the sauce?
No, man.
Ew, to put it in your taco?
No.
The chopped tomatoes.
Yeah.
I know, but if it's in a can, it's just
No. Say, what if they have them out here?
If they do, it would be over there.
Okay. You got another tomato just in case?
Prices are dear, guys, so
Yeah, why do some of them
you
not
want to
have
make
green
sure that
tops?
you actually pick the good stuff.
Why don't they have green tops?
Oh, someone picked them out.
Yeah.
You know, I was so annoyed yesterday. I went to the grocery store and I told the girl I wanted to check the price of the first one, and I would have only bought the other one if the other one was too much money. Why did she cash both? I only see to come home with both yogurts, and I'm like, this is like $11, $12 worth of yogurt. I just started making smoothies. This guy's trying to buy pre-cut lettuce. It's like the cheese. Like, if you get the cheese pre-done, then it tastes pre-done. Like, there was no love. Got the lettuce. This one? This one, right? You guys, the cheese is on sale, but it was actually $4.99 the other day. Now it's $6.99. You say you got the medium one? The sharp one is good, but if she doesn't like sharp, then we'll stick to medium. Butter's on sale. How much they have it in?
Here, let me give you this 50. Any one of them that's not $7.99.
Look at this one. This wannabe butter over here. The butter's expensive, guys. Like, butter is a luxury. But I do so much of it. Like, I bake so much. That one's on sale.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Well, it would be okay if it was the big one. It's too small. Honestly,
Not even. I can't believe it's not butter. It's $2.29. And it's not even butter.
I think it used to be like $1.29.
It's not even butter.
It's not even butter.
This is $2.50.
The average price of butter right now
This
is
is
like
$2.50.
$7.99.
Who is this?
$2.50.
I live in a basement and I'm a student. What is this?
This is her pinky and the brain.
I don't have any friends. I don't have family.
This? No, even if you're by yourself,
I
it's
have
not
no
enough butter.
friends. This side says I have no friends. I have no family. I'm gonna use this for 2 months. I live by myself.
I live by myself butter. $2.49. No, but then even if you bake a
this
banana
side
bread,
used to be
that's
$2.29.
it. Butter, flour, rice,
Guys, my sister has me out here
Oil
looking at prices. I don't usually
is
look at them.
madness. No, but you have to look at the
I
price.
just drive home and get confused.
I look. You gotta look, cause they've been gradually going up and up and up. Look at the price of orange juice.
Yo, I bought this the other day. Very confused. $6.50 for juice.
$6.50 for a box of juice.
It's 3 for $10.99. They used to be $1.96.
Yo, it's 3 for $10.99?
Yeah. No, so.
Can't even buy water. And you know, this is the one I'd always buy. Whatever was on sale though, it's gone. Oh, but this one only has 6. They don't have just the soft ones. Oh my gosh. I think we should try this one too.
Well, that's chicken. We're not doing chicken.
Oh, no. Okay, what about the steak one?
Yeah, let's do that.
These look different too. I hope they're good, eh?
I'm getting these.
What else are you getting? You're getting that just in case, eh?
Yeah.
The small ones are good.
Yeah, these are good.
Those are good.
These are pales are good. Now we gotta figure out this Big Mac sauce.
I think, oh, you need the actual sauce. I thought you would have to like make it. It would probably be down here.
We have to search it.
They have this one I've had before. It's like a burger sauce. It just has to have some type of relish going on. I doubt they would have a Big Mac. Yeah, let's start from this end.
And one of them items is mine, and they're gonna scan that shit. $300.
No.
Not that I'm good, but
We care.
Any bags today?
Oh, we brought them. I was wondering why
Oh, nice.
that's what. We're at Puffs, guys. I think I'm getting Choco Bueno today, like I always get. To be honest, this location does not do it as good as the other location. So, but nobody's driving all the way down there. Puffs, 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 puffs. See, my little boy knows Choco Bueno. It's delicioso. We're about to make the tacos. Got the shells. First time I'm gonna have these ones, so I hope they're good. We got some extra shells, just in case we don't have enough or those ones aren't good. We got some tomatoes, lettuce, cheese. I always like to get Cracker Barrel cheese. I would have got the Old Port, but not everyone's into it. And then we got some lean ground beef. We also got some more ground beef in the freezer. And onion.
Yeah. That's your mom's coffee.
Anyway, that's what's done. They've taken out the entire.
Go.
They painted it to match the wall.
Chatty, chatty.
They painted it.
We'll play with the.
Access door or something.
If I don't serve cream, it's just not the same.
Come on.
The sour cream? How can I not? It's no why because we were talking about the other sauce. There's taco sauce in the kit. There's salsa in the kit.
Well, yeah, I'll go down.
Girl.
I don't know. I can't do it.
Got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BMW. They gon' dump, got phones in my right and left. Hey, you drink up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they block and get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear.
Yeah. Yes. Whoa, you okay?
It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been love, the water grown.
Slaps, right?
Slaps. It must have been love.
You guys are small.
Yeah, right? It's like bite size.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so